use to accomplish what you want. It's easier for you to write, it's easier for you to debug, and it's easier for someone else to understand as they're reading your code. So we can go back to the iteration chapter and think of all the things that we did, whether we look for the largest, look for the smallest, see if something's there. What this is going to do is this is a simple loop that's going to go through and see how many A's are in a word. Now we happen to know by looking at it, but it gives you this sense of iteration. So we take the letter's going to take a B, A, N, A, N, N, A. It's going to run this code 6 times. And if the letter is an A, we do count equals count plus 1. We set it to 0 at the beginning. Remember how these loops do something at the beginning, they do something in the middle, and then they have kind of like a payoff at the very end. So this just means every time the letter's A, we're going to add 1 to count. So this effectively is counting the number of A's in word banana. And out comes 3, because there are 3 A's. Now if I misspelled it, there would be more N's and more A's. But luckily on this slide I think it's spelled correctly. Now I love this in, and we're going to use this to do a lot of things when we deal with files, we deal with lists. This idea that in is kind of like this membership notion in algebra. Not that you have to know algebra, but if you do know algebra, it's like for X such that it's a member of this set. That's the concept of in. Is a very clean abstraction. Maybe you'll actually learn Python and then you'll go back and learn algebra and go like, oh yeah, this little member guy, that's kind of like an in statement in for. It's a very abstract concept that really says this is how we're supposed to just run this loop, run this loop 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, do it. Take care of all of the small details for me, right? And this, again, for me, is the magic of the for loop. It's the Python.
Nope.
1, 2.
This nigga be going so fast, bro. I ain't gonna lie, Checkers got it, gang. Checkers figured out how to make something taste good.
Do it. Take care of all of the small details for me, right? And this, again, for me, is the magic of the for loop. The Python for loop is the for itself, the for loop, right?
This nigga really be moving at college speed. He be teaching at college speed, bro, no cap. I gotta slow it down. Love me, love me, love me, love me, oh baby, love me, love me. For letter and banana, print letter.
Run this loop 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it. Take care of all of the small details for me, right? And this, again, for me, is the magic of the for loop.
So what happens when I print letter? You know what I mean? So this is what I do when I, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Fruit equals banana for letter, and fruit print banana. Wait. Now open your mind up and listen to me, Kendrick. I am unconscious. If you do not hear me, then you will be history, Kendrick. I know that you're nonsense right now. I'm not hoping to lead you to victory, Kendrick. If I take another one for letter and banana, print letter. For letter and... Oh, so he's just like explaining it. It's the same thing. So I could also do banana. It's just it's literally the same thing.
It's the Python for loop is the for itself.
Yeah, I didn't think I was going to get through this 15 minutes.
For loop does a couple of things. It decides how long the loop's going to run, when the loop starts, when the loop stops, and it advances.
The iteration variable iterates through the string. So it's going through the string. This is what I need to remember. The iteration variable is iterating through the string. The string has quotation marks. And the block body of code is executed once for each value in the sequence. For letter and banana, print letter. Boom. B-A-N-A-N-A.
The iteration variable automatically. So it decides, am I done? Go get the next letter, run it. Am I done? No, go get the next letter, go get the next letter, go get the next letter, go get the next letter. Oh, and now I'm done and I'm going to quit, right? And so the for takes all of this, all that logic is in one statement. And like I said, the less code that you have to write, the better off that you are. Now I showed you how to loop through strings. I'm going to show you ways that you don't have to loop through strings. And so one of the things you do in strings is you basically want to grab a piece of the string. And so this is what we call slicing. And we're going to use the same square bracket
strings. You can also look at any continuous section of a string using a colon operator. The second number is one beyond the end of the slice, but wait, the end of the slice up to but not including. If the second number is beyond the end of the string, it stops at the end. S equals Monty Python. Print S 0 colon 4, and that prints Mont. Print 7. Wow, 6 7 6. Print 6 7. Print S 6 7. Love me. I don't get the 20, nor the 6-7. I shouldn't have ate that crackers. I don't get them.
Do slicing, except that we're going to put an expression in that tells us how far to go. So here we have a string, 0 through 11. Remember, they start at 0. And so in here, instead of saying S sub 0, which would be the first character, we say F sub 0 colon 4. And so this gives us a range. Now, the key thing here is the end is up to but not including. Okay, up to but not including. So when we say 0, start at 0 and go up to but don't include 4, that says up to but don't include 4. So
Okay, up to but not including. So where does the 20 come from?
4. Now that again may seem counterintuitive, kind of like 0 starting is counterintuitive, but in a bit you'll see that there are times when it sort of makes sense to do up to but not including. So for now, just remember up to but not including.
Slicing
so
strings
6 to
up
7,
to but not including.
Well, 6 starts here, and then up to but not including doesn't include the 7, so that's why we get a capital P. And then if we do 6 through 20, 6 starting at 6, going up through, you'd think this would be a traceback. But it's not a traceback. It is okay. After a while, you're like, I'm a little disappointed in you, Python. You're supposed to trace back every time I make a mistake. Well, somebody decided it was okay to reference beyond the end of a string, and we'll forgive you. It's not going to get anything. It's actually going to stop there, and that's why we get Python.
Okay. So that means they could go 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 as well. That's important. That's an important. I got to jot that down. That's important right there, bro. Wait. They don't love me like I love you. I'm sweating. They don't love me like I love you. Wait. We can look into the single letter of a string with the brackets, square brackets. Fruit equals banana. Letter equals fruit 1. That's B. Print letter. Wait. 0. So when I'm taking my test, I need to go back to my notes so I can pass my test. Slicing strings. Wait, old slicing strings. Underline. Wish I could underline that. Alright. Exercise. Wait. Look to. You can look at any continuous section. You can look at any continuous section of a string. Which is square brackets, colon, square brackets. Example. XYZ equals to Monty Python. Listen, bro, we getting this money, bro. Niggas be fucking sleeping. Stay asleep. Alright. Alright, so let's do this. Boom. XYZ equals Monty Python. We go print XYZ bracket bracket 0 colon 4 bracket close, and then close parentheses. That's going to print out my it is up to but not including. Also remember to count 0. That's example 1. Alright, let's do example 2. Love. There's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, Father, no, I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Print XYZ square bracket 676 boom 7 boom wait square bracket close parenthesis. That will print P example 3. Yo, taking notes is fundamental. Print 6 by 20. So let's go print 6. Wait. Ooh, see? Wait. XYZ. 6. Boom. Wait. 6 by 20. And that will print out Python. Even though, come on, bro. This is dope. This is fire. This is fire.
Mistake. Well, somebody decided it was okay to reference beyond the end of a string, and we'll forgive you. It's not going to get anything. It's actually going to stop there, and that's why we get Python as the answer. Now, given that the beginning and the end of the string are a very common thing, you want the first, you want a prefix or a suffix off of the string. It's really common to either eliminate the first character, which means beginning of string, or eliminate this.
Okay. If we leave off the first number or the last number of the slice, it is assumed to be the beginning or end of a string, respectively. S equals Monty Python. Print S semicolon 2. So would that be N? Oh, it's just saying Okay. Print S8 semicolon Don. Okay. Print S. Oh, see Python. Okay. This is the thing about Python, man, because there's simple ways to do shit and there's complex ways to do shit. There are simple ways to do shit and there's complex ways to do that. Cause he could have just printed S and the shit will print out Monty Python. Or he can literally say print Monty Python with the fucking quotations, the quotes, and shit will print out Monty Python. But this is a complex way, but it's showing you what Python can do. All right. So that's like assumed to be. That's where you start, and it's assumed to end. It's where you start and where you end. All right. Take this shit serious, man. All right. Let's proceed. So we save this. All right. Let's get into it again. All right. If we leave out the example. Go like this. Print XYZ 4. That will print out 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will print out Monty. 0, 1. Oh, up to but not including. Yeah, up to but not including. This would print out Python. Example 3. This will print out Monty Python.
Second part of the range, which means the end of the string. So this basically says 0 up to but not including 2, not including 2, so that's MO. And this one says 8 through the end, which means gone. And then you can eliminate them both, and so it means the whole thing. Why you want to do this, I don't know. I just say it's syntactically there just for completeness. So up next, we're going to continue learning how we can manipulate strings.
And string slicing, the N index is including the result. Wait. I want to have it out just like how he did. Yeah, Monty Python. Which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You count the, you count the space. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't include the last number. False. What is the output of the following code? My string equals slicing example. Substring equals my string 1, 7. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be lysing. Print. This would be lysing. What is the output of the following code? string equals 1, 2, 3. Number int equals int number string. Okay. Print number int times 2. Which is this one. What is the output of the following code? My string equals Python character equals my string 2. 0, 1, 2. Print character. T. Come on, man. That's too easy. In programming, strings are sequences of characters. Match each term to its definition terms. Type error. Boom. And boom. Type error. Incompatible types cannot be directly combined. Concatenation in programming is performed using the plus. You need both start and end to slice a string. This is a trick question. Trick question, bro. That's good. That's good, dude. Can't do this, motherfucker. Alright, so sack racing. Turn the mic up. Bro, you see? You see? I can't even see your shit. Turn mic up. Really can't hear you. Oh, it's cause I wasn't close to the mic. What's good though, bro? You see, I'm in a holiday spirit. I was in New York City today, and I saw this beautiful one. This one is crazy. I think I might have saw this one. It definitely wasn't in white. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. You took some pics? Nah, but on my I think I could show you on my Snapchat. I don't know how I'll show you. So I saw that Christmas tree. It's kind of. I got my my green screen on, so you know it's hard. You see, that's the same tree. You're. What the fuck you doing, nigga? Turn mic up. Yeah, bro. So I'm programming, bro. I'm programming, bro. Nigga, you just see. I don't know if you saw. I don't know if you saw me. W followers, 93 followers. Oh, nah, I'm bugging. You saw me answering these questions, and I'm getting these questions right, bro. Smart nigga, bro. I'm a smart nigga, bro. These niggas be underestimating. Feel me? Nah, but I just finished that video. I wanted to finish that one before I went to sleep. Bro, smart nigga, bro. Niggas, what the fuck was that anyway? So, everybody has heard of AI, but, like, in order to work in AI, you gotta learn Python. And Python is a programming language that AI is built on. You know what I'm saying? Like all the AI shit, there's Python underneath it type shit. For what I'm saying? So I'm getting an AI, and the goal is like I'm going through it. Like obviously I want to master it as a new skill, but I don't really need to master it in order to get a job in it. It's in high demand. Obviously I'm in New York City, and it's a fucking 6-figure salary, bro. And I imagine it's a 6-figure salary not only because it's useful, but because it's incredibly complex. And niggas don't want to fuck with it. Niggas don't want to get. Niggas is like, nigga, I'd rather work at McDonald's than do that shit. Okay, so you can make your own robot type shit? Yeah, I can make my own robot. All of it. So, like, the more I learn, the more power I got type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I can make a chat bot, like a chat GPT. You know what I'm saying? I can like predict stocks in the future, whether it's gonna go up or down. I can like forecast shit. I can like generate images and generate videos. You may have seen AI images recently. I've been seeing them a lot. I've been seeing a lot of AI photos of Ronaldo. People taking pictures right next to Ronaldo, and they Instagram, they should go up. They should be jumping. All of that is AI, and um, it's much more complex than like what I'm starting off with learning, but Python is a part of it. How you been though, bro? What you up to, gang? You streaming? Love me, love me, love me, love me, oh baby, love me, love me. I don't know why I ate that fucking checkers, bro. Just is too good. That's like cheating. Guys, go back to my acai bowls. Stick to them shits. Are you streaming right now? Let me see if he's streaming. I don't know if you see my notes, bro. Nigga, look at my notes, bro. Niggas is learning, bro. Look at my notes, bro. My fucking notes, nigga. Fruit equals banana. Letter equals fruit 1. Print letter A. How that work? I know how. You know what I'm saying? Because banana is a string. You know it's a string because it got the quotation marks. In order to count the quotation marks, you got to start with 0. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I said letter equals fruit 1. So you got to go 0, 1. And print it out A, nigga. X equals 3. W equals fruit. X minus 1. Print W. N, nigga. Wait, how that work? Oh, because it's tied back to banana. Listen, bro. Niggas is, you know what I'm saying? Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit, bro. This is me. Nigga. Niggas be fucking sleeping. And all this shit means something, bro. Listen, this is just the beginning. I can't wait. This is only the beginning. Let me see if you're streaming. I don't think I saw you stream unless you just sparked.
I swear to God on my life. So like, I'm geeking wasn't playing off your.
What the words in that game? Chilling, bro.
Just finished studying. What about you? I got my ass bust on card earlier. Pause. Should have knew better than that, nigga. You ain't no gamer, man.
Why this nigga talking shit, bro? Play him.
They were cyberbullying me too online. As a grown ass man, why are you getting cyberbullied?
Go up his ass.
That ain't show. You gotta find a game that's. You might be a single player type gamer, bro. Like,
That's what I was trying to do.
Missions type shit. That might be your feng shui.
Oh. See, he losing right now. That's why he mad. He's the Cowboys right now? Yeah, he the Cow. Well, no, Kid is the Cowboys.
I know, bro.
You know what he gonna say though, David? He gonna be like, "No, bro, play somebody else, bro. Beat somebody, then come to me, bro. You gotta work your way up the totem pole." But I'll say it. Fuck it.
Play you, man. I'm not playing. If you play, if you beat David, I'll play you. But I'm not playing.
See this? See? See?
I'm ass. That's okay. If you beat David, I'll play you. Is that a deal?
You see this nigga, bro?
Going on the fucking D-line.
Oh, they on the same team. They both the Cowboys and losing. I need to take my ass to bed. That's Rob play anybody, just not tonight, man. Just not tonight, man. I was off today, bro. Today was a great day. I'm not gonna lie. Like, yeah, I chilled all day at the gym earlier. I have the best fucking gym in New York, bro.
Man, you don't even believe, like, you're trying to rage bait, but it's not working. You don't even believe that. So I'm gonna say this again. If you beat David in something, I'll play you. These niggas are getting cooked, bro. Supposed to be in man backside anyway, bro. It's because I'm blitzing. I don't see how he's. Oh, bro. I mean, man. Why the fuck is he, bro? Man, hit up David, bro. He's so ready to play me, nigga. Play him in 2K, matter of fact. About to go to sleep or hurt. Sometime later this week. Later, maybe this week. Got you.
We basically sparked around the same time.
We, oh, okay.
Where's this young Khalifa, man?
I need some bathroom real quick. I'll be right back, chat.
Y'all thought he got locked up in Romania.
I'll post an edited version of the debate with Triple J. But until then, remember.
Tired. I am gonna chill. You feel me? I'm probably just gonna chill when I get off this shit.
Does mines control the ad? I have no idea. Somebody shoot niggas in the.
Nah, I'm trying to get the vibes going, man. I would let y'all use this, but I can't believe it's not butter. That's not funny. Okay. It's gonna get better. I promise you. It's gonna get better. Huh? Oh, pause it.
He came. It's a baby. All right. I love y'all, man. Peace.